This is Builderman 116. Today we're introducing the Connect's ABC, the automatic binary counter. That's quite good in a phone, but how does it work? Well, I'll answer this question as quickly as I can. Assume that all switches are 0. With this being 0 and this being 1. Every time a bulb lights here, this being changed to 1 or 0. Every time it goes to 0, the next switch changes accordingly. This creates binary number from 0 to 15. That's it. So with that, thank you for watching. If you like it, and you can subscribe now.